Okay. Get some room in here. Too many rings. Okay, what do we got here? We got a sprocket, that's what we got here. That looks like a big twin mechanical brake rear sprocket. Should be 51 tooth. Looks big enough. So it's for your 1930 through 57. All your mechanical brakes. VL, UL, knucklehead, panhead, everything. The later ones are thicker, especially on this piece here. So this is a nice looking one. No damage. Definitely American made. You can tell by the quality of it by looking at it. Machining. Nice piece. No rivets though. Oh well. Is that a cleaver? Quick fender brackets. Oh yeah. Rear fender brackets. These look nice on eBay. See how good they really look. Come on, give me one of those out of there. Alright, so these came off the same fender, obviously. So it's a big twin fender because of the brake. This goes on the back of the fender, holds the flap down, where the fender has the flap on it. So it has a left side chain, that makes it a big twin. If it's a right side chain, it'd be a 445. So these stick out, so you know it's left, right. So these are the fatter brace. You're looking here a little bit, but they're not. This is early. Up in here they're going to have a narrow brace. You can see the width of it right here is narrow. So it's a narrow brace. That's 46 on back. That's what this fender brace would be off of. No rust on them, no damage. Look nice. So if you buy a reproduction Taiwan Teddy rear fender with a crappy braces on it, you buy original braces and put them on that crappy fender, and it looks so nice. Looks like a stock fender because the sheet metal looks really nice on most of those fenders. At least compared to your crappy Harley fenders like that one on the floor over there. So it makes a big difference. And this here is another one of these that's extra. They had a couple auctions for this stuff. I guess I got a couple of them. So here's your narrow brace fender. Here. So this mark here looks like it's wider than the narrow brace. Yeah, it is. Okay, so see how it's wider? So that means this is not a 46 brace. This is going to be a 47 brace. So now we move up to the second generation fender. It's a 47 to 57 fender. So we're no longer flatted knucklehead. Now we move up in a panhead. So yeah, it could be a 47 knuckle, but we don't count that. So the width of the brace dictates what it's going to be. The back brace is the same in all of them. It's these front braces which changed. You know, on the front and the hoop that goes about around the top of the fender and the back of the fender. Very narrow on the old fenders. I don't have one right here to show you, so. Alright, so these are a later brace. Still a good part though. I lost one. What happened to it? Oh, it's on the floor over there. Hey, don't lose that. That's valuable. So I have brand new hoops for the front or the back here. I got the piece here brand new. What I don't have is the hoop that goes across the top. I don't have those for big twin. I got them for 45s, but not big twin. So that piece is still missing. We'll come across one. Okay, this is something big. Not that heavy, but not real light either. More rings. Okay, what's in here? I don't know what this is yet. Let's see what we got in here. A rocker box or something. Alright, let me come back. Too much package in my way.